We'll demonstrate how to prevent websites in Windows 11 from accessing your language list in this video. Take these easy actions to protect your privacy and manage which websites can view your language preferences. Right-click on the Windows Start menu icon in your taskbar. From the menu that expands out, click on the Settings option. In the left window pane, click on Privacy and Security option, and in the right window pane, click on the General tab. To prevent websites from accessing your language preference list, under General Settings, turn off the toggle button corresponding to the option. Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Later, if you change your mind and would like to give websites the permission to access your language preference list, turn on the toggle button corresponding to the option, Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.